Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you friends? I hope you all guys are doing very well. So friends, in today's video I am going to share with you some techniques which help me a lot to learning this language, and I'm sure this techniques will also help you. So without any delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, please watch the video right till then, because this video is going to very helpful, very useful for every English learner who wants to be fluent in English. And if you are new in my channel, then please do subscribe my channel, because I am not an English trainer. Okay, I am just a learner, I am just a beginner. So here I am like you. So friends, without any delay, let's get into the topic. So friends, when we talk about any language, we think about four aspects. Okay, of any learning language there are four aspects. Okay, LSRW: L for listening, S for speaking, R for reading, and W for writing. So LSRW, four aspects, is very important for any kind of learning this, any kind of the language. So here I am not going to share with you some knowledge of any language. No, I am going to share with you how to learn English. Today India, English play a very important role. Okay, so if someone wants to be successful, then English plays a very important role. So no one can deny it that English is not so important. No, English is very important. If you want to successful, if you want to do in any private sector job, then you should know the English, how to speak in English. It is very important. If you want to go abroad, if you doing any type of skill conversation service, then it is very important to know how to speak in English. That there are so many states, okay, in India. And I'm not going abroad, I am still in India. Okay, there are so many states, and every state have their regional language, okay, their mother tongue. So and English is an international language. So when you have to go other states, so how can you conversation with, how can you connect them with their peoples? How can you connect? Okay, because you don't know their regional language. So you can connect with them with English, because English is a international language. And everyone, if you go any type of project work, if you go your office works, so there is very important to know the English. So no one can deny it that English is not so important. No, English is very important. Nowadays English is very important. So just start to learn this language. No, please start your journey. It is very easy to learn this language. If you have a determination, if you have a willpower to learn this language, then it is very easy for you. Okay, so my first tips is that take language as a language, not make it a vigor. ओके, आप तमिलनाडु में पैदा नहीं हुए तो आप तमिल नहीं जानते हो, आप केरल में पैदा नहीं हुए तो आप वहां पे मलयालम नहीं जानते हो. सो it is just similar, is English is just similar the Tamil and Malayalam. Okay, if you know, you don't know English because you are not born in English countries, because you are not, you was not born on English area, you have no surrounded, you had not surrounded of English, so you don't know the English. So why you attempt to learn how I don't know the English? Okay, so first of hover in your mind, please delete it. Okay, don't make any type of hover of this language. English is a very simple and easy language. Okay, if you don't have any skill to learn this language, so it's seems like so difficult. It is not so difficult, believe me, it is not so difficult, it's easy. If you have determination, if you have eager to learn this language, then it's very easy language. I feel happy to learn this language. So friends, if you handle this language as a language, so you can understand the English very much and very easy way. So my second tip is, I had to do just the same principle which I use to learn my mother tongue. Okay friends, how did you learn your mother tongue? How did you? Okay, you just hear this language by your elder sister, elder brother, mother, father. Only hear this language. And first you saw, you heard, you observed, and then you copied them. I had follow all the techniques which I follow to learn my mother tongue. Okay, when you are at the age of, when you were at the age of 3 or 4, you are okay to understand your mother tongue. Okay, and when you were the age of, at the age of 4 or 5, you were okay to express your feelings in your mother tongues. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Was you go any school? Is it possible was you go any institute? No, you did not go any school to learn this language. You did not go to any institute to learn this language. You learned this language just when you saw, you heard with you heard your elder sister, brother, mother, father, and just you observed and copied them. Okay, and at that time, at that age, you have no you had not developed any type of ego. Okay, and if you had done many types of mistakes, then you don't feel ashamed, so you learn this language, your mother tongue. So I followed all the techniques which I follow to learn my mother tongue. Then okay, at the age of now, you learning this language, you always think that if I learn this language, is if I speak to learn, speak in English, then every at that time you had a develop ego. Okay, if you make mistakes, then someone laugh at you, someone make a fun of you, so you feel ashamed to learn this language. Okay, so if you want to learn this language, then be a child. Okay, just behave as a child, so you can easily learn this language. So friends, my third trick is here. I started to learning whole sentences instead of words. ओके, बिकॉज देखिए अगर हम शब्द अर्थ पर जाएंगे ना, तो ये तो बहुत बड़ा समुद्र है, यहाँ पे हजारों लाखों की संख्या में शब्द अर्थ हम कहाँ तक याद करते रहेंगे. सो फोकस्ड ऑन सेंटेंस. ओके, बिकॉज देयर आर सो वेरी रिपीटेडली सेंटेंस यूज होते हैं हमारे डेली लाइफ में. अगर आप अपने डेली रूटीन की बात करें, तो आप क्या करते हो, सुबह उठते हो, ब्रश करते हो, नहाते हो, तो ये आपका डेली रूटीन है. सो स्टार्ट योर जर्नी विद योर डेली रूटीन से. ओके, फर्स्ट डिस्क्राइब योर सेल्फ. तो आप अपना डिस्क्राइब करना शुरू करिए. ओके, आई वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, देन आई टेक ब्रश माई टीथ एंड टेक अ बाथ एंड go to worship and make a lunch, and I leave for office, and after coming the office, I make a tea and dress up, and then do some exercise, and some take a nap, and after this I'm again going to make my dinner. So this types of simple sentence makes you so confident in English, and your journey will start. Okay, so this is my third tips. My fourth tips is here, take a challenge. Okay, if you have you take a short term challenge, just 7 days challenge, and just 15 days challenge, and month, 2 month, 3 month. Okay, I took a challenge of 100 days. Okay, it's my determination, it's my will power to take a challenge of 100 days, and and I'm sure you took a minimum 1 month goal. Okay, make a goal first, make a challenge, take a challenge, yeah, make a goal. Okay, what helps you, it helps you if you make a चैलेंज टू ओके, मुझे ये करना है, देन यू हैव द रिमाइंडर. जैसे आपको अलार्म लगा रहता है ना कि आपको इस टाइम उठना है, तो इस तरह से आपको अलार्म लगा गया, नहीं आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है, आपको ये करना है. सो टेक अ चैलेंज, दिस इज वेरी हेल्पफुल. ओके, एंड at that time, if you start to your journey, if you are going to start your journey, okay, make them I permit my friends, my relatives, okay, I will give you a lot of chance to laugh my English. Okay, but after laughing, please tell me what is the mistakes of my speaking terms. Okay, so don't worry about learning, don't worry about laughing. Okay, it is natural, it's, please don't take it so big. Okay, last technique is that start collecting some common sentences. okay, which is very useful in my common life. Okay, so it makes you so confident in English when you start to repeatedly speak those sentences in your daily routine. It's helps you to your speaking terms, your vocabulary, and your mind will automatically save these sentences, and whenever you require to speak those sentences in a particular moment, your mind automatically through on your mouth. Okay, so start some collect some useful sentences. So this is my fifth technique. My next technique is that don't take this language as a bother. ओके मुझे तो अभी इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस करनी है यार, मुझे ये करना है, इस तरह से नहीं। आप मुझे अभी इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस करनी हो, ओके, इफ यू टेक दिस लैंग्वेज एज ए बोदर देन यू ऑलवेज अफ्रेड टू लर्निंग, हाँ मुझे अभी ये काम करना, नो प्लीज। if you have taken a challenge of 1 month, 2 month and 3 months, so you should start your journey with courage, with confidence. okay, मुझे आज ये काम करना, आज मैंने ये किया था, आज मैंने ये किया था, so it gives you so energetic, it gives you so energy to learn this language. if you learn this language in a bother way पे, ओ मुझे आज तो ये काम करना है, मुझे ये करना है, यार मैंने तो अभी ये काम करने को पड़ा, so you can't speak in English so quickly, because देखो if आपको किसी काम के प्रति अगर लगन होती है ना, वो काम हम बहुत जल्दी से सीख जाते हो। ओके, आपने साइकिल चलाना कैसे सीखी बताइए? क्या आपके मम्मी पापा पीछे पड़े थे, डंडा लेके पीछे पड़े थे कि नहीं चलो साइकिल तुमको चलाना? नहीं, क्योंकि आपको उसको चलाने में अच्छा लग रहा था ना, तभी तो आपने उसको इतने क्विकली सीख लिया। तो feel this language as a fun, as a energy, as a something is look happy. okay, you learn, I am learning this language, so I feel happy, it gives a happy. okay, so friends, here I gave you some tips and some techniques, and I hope these tips and techniques will help you, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like this video. And please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it. Friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Shri Ram.